Hello dear friends, how are you all, and welcome to All About Tron channel. Guys, today I need to talk about something very important. How to register for any Binance BNB coin smart contract. What you need to do is you have to create an account on Binance and on Trust Wallet. Okay guys, now I will show you step by step how to transfer your coins from Binance to Trust Wallet and to transfer from Trust Wallet to Smart Chain. As we saw here on Trust Wallet, we have BNB and we have Smart Chain. Okay, the most important thing is to transfer your BNB to Smart Chain, and after that to join on that browser any smart contract related to BNB Binance Smart Chain. First of all, as we all know, BNB coin is related to Binance. Binance is the first international company that all people is trading around the world, trading many coins for earning. First of all, I will join Binance. Don't worry, I will put everything on the description below. After that, I join to wallet. As we saw here, my BNB I have 0.52. Okay, so now we need to move this BNB coins that you can only buy it in Binance.com. Okay, guys, so when you transfer this BNB coins, let us take the BNB address from Trust Wallet. Okay, here wallet BNB and receive copy. Okay, this is my BNB, no memo required. Okay, and I will go back to Binance BNB and I will withdraw. I will press here. You can buy with the card, with the Visa card, and to get more BNB. Now I put on withdraw. Okay, I paste. Okay, I paste my wallet. See here, I don't have MMO, so I put the maximum amount. Okay, then I put withdraw. The fees is 0.001 BNB. Now I put on withdraw. You did not fill memo. I click confirm. Okay, confirm again. And now let us, now it is very important security on Binance.com. So send the code here. I will let them send the code. Okay, I will open my email. Okay, we are waiting the email verification. Okay, here is the email because I withdraw. So what is the code is 23. Okay, I go to Binance, I put my email verification. Then I go to Google verification, authenticator Google. So Binance is here. I copy the code and I put paste, then submit. See the withdrawal request. Now after that we should wait on Trust Wallet here to receive my BNB coin. Okay, now after that I need to talk about the most important thing today is the Binance coins. Why? Because the smart contract on Binance is very low fees that you can join it, but the developer choose Smart Chain as related to BNB. It is not a token. Many of users consider Smart Chain is a token, but it is not. Smart Chain is the only way to join smart contract. So you have after that you have to move your BNB coin by pressing on more, then swap to Smart Chain. I will repeat again. You press when you received your BNB coin, you press on more. After that, swap to smart chain. But why we choose BNB smart contract? First of all, as we all know, the smart contract on Ethereum and on Tron, it's very high fees. For example, if you want to join a Tron smart contract, it will cost the double or triple registration. But in the Binance smart contract BNB smart chain BSC, it will cost nothing, which is $0.06, less than 6 cents. So that's why all the developer is considering that Binance is the first ever, and it will work long term with the lowest fees, with high bandwidth and with high energy. So all of what you want to do is to swap to BNB smart chain. And if you want your coin not in your smart chain, you can press on smart chain more. After that, swap to Binance chain, not Binance smart chain. Binance chain means BNB. Okay, guys, it will take some minutes to receive your Binance. Okay, but this is how you have what you have to do to join a smart chain. After that, for example, in few days, less than week, Forsage will launch. See my previous videos about Forsage and join my team, the big family team. Okay, guys, now I explained to you how to get BNB coins and why you should join smart chain related to BNB, and why you have to join Forsage, the first smart chain that will be on Binance. So goodbye for now, and I will talk about Binance in my last videos that I will publish after a few days when Forsage will be launched. Goodbye for now, guys.